Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating ledger accounts and account groups in Strategic ERP. To create a ledger account, navigate to the Finance module and select the ledger name. Select the appropriate group name under which the ledger will be categorized. Select the relevant checkboxes based on the type of ledger you are creating. Based on your selection, relevant details for the ledger will auto-populate. Enter details such as contact person, alternate contact person, phone number, mobile number, email ID, address, city, state and country. Under Creditors Tax Information tab, add tax-related details such as tax category and company status. Company status reflects whether the company is private, individual or public. Enter PAN number, name as per PAN card, GST number and select the MSME category. Nature of service is based on the selection of MSME category. Select the type of work. You can also enter vendor registration details such as vendor bank name, branch name, vendor RTGS, account number, type of vendor and vendor account holder name. In ledger details, check not to show in OP to hide the opening balances of the ledger if needed. If necessary, you can also check No JV to hide general vouchers against a specific ledger. Once selected, you cannot view the ledger in general ledger form. To view ledger entries, click on a specific ledger in the Ledger Accounts section. You can easily view vouchers created against the ledger. You can also attach supporting files, links or PDFs if needed. Your ledger account is now successfully created in the ledger account form. Let us now see how to create and assign an account group to a ledger. In the Finance module, go to Account Groups and select the name of company, group name and account head. Account head specifies whether the group falls into trading, profit and loss or balance sheet. Specify the parent group to define the relationship between the account group and the group name. If needed, you can select negative balance group to transfer and view negative account balances separately within a group. Select the Schedule 3 note number to assign a unique number to each account group and ledger that you create. Under the list of ledgers, you can view all ledgers created under a specific group name. If a child group is created under a parent group, you can view all its ledgers in the List of Groups tab. You can also attach supporting files, links or PDFs if needed. Your account group and its associated ledgers are now successfully created.